pumpkin pieces, they're heavy, they're slippery and slimy. Having them held together in a solid piece that looks like wood that was nailed together is going to show a lot of skill.
That looks great.
Teresa's going to be blowing these rust-colored yarn balls and then cutting them in half because we're going to be putting the tasting element inside the yarn balls.
Spice Schools, congratulations! You're the winner of Halloween Wars!
Good job, guys.
So far in this competition, Kyle hasn't done any life-size cake characters. But today, he's gonna have to make 2 of them. He's making a giant clown and a little boy. The clown is gonna be just the scariest thing, with his arm around the little boy, and then just giving this little guy just the creepiest little look. It's gonna be awesome.
Torch, 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 torch.
Bria has a lot on her plate. She's making bloodshot eyes for the terrifying roller coaster car. She's doing the clown's hair out of pulled sugar. And she's also making the roller coaster tracks.
Corpse Crushers, you're the winner of Halloween Wars!
Oh my God.
I can't believe we've won. I feel great. I'm on cloud 9. I don't know what to say.
Now I need to do bones to also go into the runway out of white sweet potato. So it already has that kind of blanched bone look, and I'm just shaping it, and it's gonna go kind of underneath the skulls. So many bones, so little time. Well, our fashionable skeleton always wins best dressed at the Catacombs Catwalk.
Ghosty gas.
Okay, so this is the serpent head. It looks amazing. Is this modeling chocolate you're using?
Yes, I'm using modeling chocolate over rice cereal.
This is the legendary Thunderbird of the Old West.
Mischievous monsters!
It's looking good now. It's looking good. Once these sheets of finally go on, this is going to look amazing.
I'm going to be making the bride out of cereal treats covered in modeling chocolate and fondant, and I need movement. I want her thighs sticking out so you can see her weapons on her garter belt, which I thought was going to be awesome.
Crazy Christina was left at the altar by her true love, Jack. Eventually, she caught up with him and took him back to her house and stuffed him. She then kept him in the attic. What we have is a pumpkin dress, a pumpkin toy menagerie, a modeling chocolate head on the Jack-in-the-Box, cake and cereal treat figures, sugar flowers, bottle, and glass.
Sugar Psychos, congratulations! You're the winner of Halloween Wars and $50,000!
This was the most stressful fun of my life. I'm just so happy.
Yeah, I feel great.
Riva's working on the background.
Trying to do this all with the burnt hands.
But we're really pressed for time, and Riva only has 1 hand to work with.
I'm still painting the flowers.
Frosted Freak Show, congratulations! You're the winner of Halloween Wars!
Ah! Woo! We won. That's crazy.